Hey, it's Luther, and welcome to the Everyday Profit Sniper. In this free course, I'm going to teach you how to find products and traffic sources and generate a little cash online. Okay, so what we're going to do is start off by going through the opportunity. So I'll give you an overview of what this opportunity is about. I'll tell you about how this all works, and we're going to begin the main bulk of the course with the math. Now, I know maybe some of you might be moaning, oh no, the math. And I wasn't a huge fan of math either, but we should always do things by the numbers, and that's where we're going to kick things off. So we'll talk about setting up a website, how to put your email list together, and then how to source all the traffic you'll need, and lastly, how to promote all those offers. And really, ultimately, lastly, we'll talk about what the next steps are and what you need to do to put this opportunity to work for you. The key takeaways you should walk away with in this course. You're going to be getting some targeted buyer traffic for some niche offer. You're going to be building an email list from that traffic. And then you're going to promote those converting offers to that list. Right? We're going to dive into all of this in the next couple of sections.